section which is based on neuro-linguistic programming or NLP visualizations or NLP subconscious re-imprinting. Why visualizations are important and why they are needed? Visualizations help you create your future image. Once you can see your future image, once you know what you want to become in the future, then definitely you will be able to get more out of your future than being completely disoriented or being completely unaware of the future. The biggest fear in our life is the fear of uncertainty. When we start about and when we talk about blogging, even we are in that glitch that whether I'll be able to write or not, whether my writing will be liked or not, whether what I write will be needed or not, whether my readers will like what I write or they will reject it, whether I should opt completely for this, leaving everything else, or whether I should go part-time, whether I'll be successful or not. This self-doubts and less confidence are a part of our nature. So you are also exposed to it. Even I was exposed to it before I started doing the NLP. First I tried it for myself and I got the power to get out of that rut of 9 to 5, and now I am working for myself completely. Then I took the advanced course of NLP and now I am a wellness and life coach, and I am definitely getting clients which are ready to give anything to relieve their problems. This powerful NLP visualization techniques I am sharing with you as a part of this blogging site. You can use it anywhere you wish to, but I would request you that as far as these are concerned, which I have created specially for changing your mindset to blogging. There is one point what I discussed, that you have to subconsciously prepare your brain to write anytime and every time wherever you want to. And for that you must have 4 major things that you need. The first thing is you must think as a blogger already. If you do not think as a blogger, if you feel that you are a novice, then you will never get the confidence of writing qualitative blogs that can bring traffic towards you, and you will always be doubtful and confident that I am not getting responses, that maybe because I am a new blogger. So you have to establish yourself in your mindset that I am a blogger. So that is first thing. For that we have the as if visualization that you will learn and follow in the next lecture. Then the second problem is we don't know whether what our bloggers want. Right? See, when you are sitting and thinking or discussing your friend's problem, you can give him 10 types of solutions. But when you sit and think about your own problem, you cannot give it solution, right? So this is the main thing. So you have to change your position. You have to just change your position so that you can get involved as another person, as your blogger or as a third person whom your blogger is sharing a blog, right? And or your relative with whom you have shared your blog and he is sharing it with a third person. So you have to get on these 3 perceptual positions, which lecture is again included in the lecture section below, right? So second is known as the point of view. You have to understand your point of view, like what you want to give, understand what your reader expects from you, and understand what the third party to whom a blog is being forwarded, what he will think and expect out of you. That is known as the point of view visualization. The next is the seat of confidence. Seat of confidence is a virtual readiness or a virtual state of your mind which you can achieve anywhere, anytime. You are reading a book, you are reading an article, and reading that article you feel like this article I know more than what is written in this article. So you just check out mentally, you put this seat under you, and you anywhere you are sitting, even if you are sitting in a bus, tram, train, in a restaurant, on a tea shop, or you are sitting anywhere in the house, you are sitting even in the night also, if you are going to sleep and you come across an article and you feel that you can write, there should not be a rejection or there should not be a comma that I will not be able to write, let me think about it and write later on. This should not come to you. For that I have given this specialized visualization that is called as the seat of confidence, which you can outrightly keep over there, and in the next 5 minutes you will be creating your blog, right? So that is. The last thing is wealth strategy. many a times we cannot accept that okay, Ashish is saying that we can earn in six-figure income, rather more than that through blogging. That is something that is not possible. Your mind doesn't accept it. So for your mind's acceptance, because once your neurology, once your body and brain, once your physiology and your psychology are in congruence, they are in balance, you can produce any result that you want in your life. So we are going to create this congruence in related to wealth by the fourth visualization, that is wealth strategy visualization, that I am going to share with you. So stay tuned with me in this last section full of NLP visualizations. These are worthless. These are sold as programs on my websites through me as programs in my series worth 5,000 each, and it's your privilege that you are getting it free with this particular course. So get involved into this, keep them with you, download them in your phone and keep them with you. Anytime you get 5 to 10 minutes of time, you can do any of these one visualization, and you can upgrade your mental status to a state where you are prepared to write, blog and earn that 6 figures of income. So stay tuned with me in this lecture. Let us go beyond and do these visualizations. See you in the conclusion after these 4 visualizations. I would request you to please ask any question in regards with any part of the blog if it is there in the section given in the course that you are taking. You can even contact me on this section, question and answer section also. Please leave your reviews after doing these visualizations, I request you, and please let me know if there are some lacunae that has been left out. Fine. So see you in the conclusion section, and let me know your experience with the visualizations. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.